Maybe you are in your last year of college. Maybe you are just sick of your PM and want a change. Or maybe you just want a bigger pay. We've all been there. Let's see how you can get hired as a software engineer, even in this economy. Do a thorough self evaluation and a plan. Many people fail at this step, but you don't have to. Do a very honest assessment of your current situation. Evaluate your good, bad, and evil parts. This is going to give you some clarity on what you can write in your CV and the type of job you should be looking for. Based on your findings about yourself, start your research. You need to start searching for the best companies in the market which are looking for the skills that you can offer. By doing this, you will do both yourself and them a favor. You know your thing, so will help them a ton, and they should pay you well so you'll make a lot of money. Win-win. After you have defined these targets, look online for jobs offered by them and make a list. It will help you in the interviewing process. Try to make your list pretty extensive, at least 50 jobs. Else, if you only get 3 jobs, chances are big that they won't even reply to your application and you will end up depressed in the same shitty job. Now comes the preparation phase. Even though it seems obvious, you won't get any of these jobs without applying. But there's a catch to this. You should be doing a crucial thing before even applying, and that is researching those companies' recruitment processes. There should be loads of resources online like LeetCode, forums, and Glassdoor, which explain the recruitment process for certain companies and people's experiences. Make a good note of that. Before you start applying, you should know the interview process by heart and not be surprised by any interview question. A bonus tip here, and this might upset some recruiters, but well, see if you can find companies with similar interview processes but lower on your ranking and start applying to those first. Use them as nothing but interview practice. This practice will come in very handy when you will have the interviews for the jobs you are actually excited about. Application phase. Don't feel discouraged if you don't feel 100% prepared. No one is. But you should know how to invert a linked list or traverse a tree, otherwise, don't even get out of your bed. Start applying in bulk to all the companies that you targeted. If you are a good candidate and they actually like you, you may be able to get counteroffers and ask them for more money. Don't bother with cover letters, no one cares. Also, don't be a person with 3 pages of a resume. And don't say stuff such as how you are proficient in 100 technologies when you are fresh out of college. It will serve you more harm than good. Keep it short and simple. Read the job description well and tailor your CV to that. Use Google's STAR method when you write about your achievements. No one cares if you wrote 10,000 lines of code in brainfuck or created a new operating system using chicken. Everyone cares about impact. And no, your 2 anonymous GitHub contributors don't count. Sorry. Interview phase, technical. I think everyone heard of this holy grail. Study this hard. Also, this is not the only thing you might get in an interview. They might ask you OOP or ask you to create personal project. But you know all these things because you did your research, right? A big part of the interview is going to be if these people would actually want to work with you. So try your best to be collaborative. Ask clarifying questions. Understand the requirements very well before jumping into solutioning mode. Explain your choices and keep the interviewer engaged. Remember, they need to want to hire you, not your solution. For system design, try to come up with a somewhat feasible design. It doesn't need to be spot on. What has to be spot on is your ability to understand the issue and propose a solution. By proposing a solution, you are explaining your choices with advantages and disadvantages. Interview process, soft skills. This is going to be a very short and sweet section. So a couple of things to remember. Star method from Google, that works the best. Be likable. The person interviewing you might be your manager. Create answers to the most popular questions before and be prepared for them. Offer stage. Hopefully, you will have multiple offers and can make companies fight each other over you. This means you can ask for more money. That's the key here. In fact, always ask for more money. Nothing bad can happen. They can't take back the offer. You will thank me later. Don't be afraid, you got this. And don't fall victim to anxiety when asked about salaries. You have done your research, you know how much to ask. Hopefully, you are already researching levels.fyi for inspiration on how much to ask. Hope this was helpful. This has been the Jobs Debunked Show. See you next time.